part of the reason I love this little 903 is it is a simple, easy to use, intuitive machine. Because let's be honest, a lot of times the operators that might jump in this type of equipment, maybe they got promoted from a wheelbarrow. Maybe this is the first piece of equipment that they've owned and operated. It's the go pedal, the stop pedal, and this moves the linkage. And it's basic in nature, so forgive me, Laura, I know you're looking after some technology, but part of the nice thing about this machine is we push into landscaping, is we push into agriculture, we push into fertilizer co-ops. There's actually less electronics on this machine. I am sitting on top of the engine and I'm literally pulling the hydraulic valve. So for folks who don't want to deal with any electric corrosion, or they want to be able to maintenance or work on it themselves, this is a very friendly DNA of a product for that. Now we've purposely put a power box rake on the front end of it to showcase some of what I would call the big boy features here in a compact size. So this is where some technology starts to come in. To make work easy, what we have done is we've integrated the auxiliary flow right in here to a multifunction joystick. Traditionally, that's a second lever. So if I want to send flow out there to that tool, I need like 3 hands to run to everything. But now by integrating it in, I can roll this proportional roller to whatever flow speed I want, and then I can use a lock function. It's just going to continue to run for me. On that same vein, if I want to lock my throttle like cruise control in our cars and trucks, push it to my target, remember that. Now I can let my foot rest. Now being a hydrostatic style powertrain, you still have total control of an operator. You can use this decel pedal or this ground speed control pedal, even with throttle locked, to control your ground speed and bring it to a full stop if you want to, without kicking out the throttle. So I've got continuous flow running, I've got constant RPM to create the power I need, and the last step is to adjust my ground speed to match the feed rate. One of the things that we've boosted on this product versus the previous generation is ground speed. So it'll now do a whopping 12.5 miles per hour. Now I know 12.5 doesn't sound that fast, but it actually is in this little guy. And to complement that, we've put ride control in it. What we've done on this machine is we've boosted its payload so we can move that material comfortably and compete for that business. And the way we did it is pretty creative, so that we can keep the machine weight down but offer the boost in payload. And you heard in class, and now you can see it, we actually took the front axle and moved it forward about 6 inches, which means the entire tractor that I'm sitting on is now 6 inches further back. It's a bigger kid on that teeter-totter. And so we got the boost in payload without increasing our total machine mass. And that's very important simply for towing. We really wanted to stay under 10,000 pounds so that it can easily be towed to and from job site, to and from parking lot, farm to field, whatever you need to do.